So now we can discuss impossible events. An event which cannot occur is called as a impossible event. Means what, friends? Suppose if you throw a die and you are expecting number 7. That is impossible because the die has 6 faces and you are giving number 1 to 6. So that is impossible. So anything which cannot occur is nothing but a impossible event, and it is denoted by a null set phi. So this is the notation for impossible event. So an impossible event is empty. So that is, it does not have any sample point. But this impossible event, so that is this phi is a subset of every set, and it is a member of a power set. So we will discuss what is actually meant by power set in the next video. So if you take example that in a throw of a die, getting number 8 is an impossible because that is not possible case. And in a draw of a ball from a box containing only black balls, getting a white ball is an impossible event. So there are all black balls in a box, and you are expected that you will be getting a white ball. So that is impossible event. Therefore, the probability of an impossible event is zero. So why the probability of probability means what? So that is the favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So since there is no favorable case, impossible event means what? So there is no favorable case, and if there is no favorable case means the numerator part is zero. Zero divided by anything is zero. So therefore, the probability of an impossible event is zero, and the opposite of impossible event is certain event. So an event which is certain to occur. So we can say that 100% this event will be occurring. So that is a certain event. Certain means 100% assurity. So a certain event has all the points of the sample space. So a sample space consisting of the same sample points. So that is a certain to occur. And a certain event is also a member of the power set. So if you take this example, suppose there is a box and in the box there are only white balls. So getting a white ball is certain event. Therefore, the probability of a certain event is 1. The probability of a certain event is always 1, whereas the probability of an impossible event is 0. Right? So, next we will discuss about what are the laws of algebra of sets. And friends, you know all these types of events. What is meant by union of two or more events? What about the intersection of two or more events? So, what is the complementation of events? And what about the relative complementation or difference of two sets? Because these algebra of sets plays an important role in the theory of probability. In some cases, we are interested in union of two or more events. So whenever we are talking about the additive law of probability, always this additive law of probability depends upon the union of two or more events. So whenever we are talking about probability of A union B, so that is union means plus, union means plus, union means at least, union means or. So all these words are synonymous. What about this intersection of two or more events? So in probability, whenever we are interested in multiplicative law of probability, so this intersection plays an important role. Intersection means what? Intersection means and. Intersection means both, right? So intersection means multiplication. Intersection means multiplication. And whenever we are interested in probability of A into B, or probability of A intersection B. So you know all these things. You may be studied all these parts in your previous classes. So intersection of two or more events means probability of A intersection B, or this is probability of A multiplied by B. So I will be giving some important results based on union, intersection, complementation, and what is this difference of two sets or the relative complementation in the next lecture, next video. What about this complementation? So complementation means not A. So if A is an event, then complement of A is A complement. So A complement is not A. Simply that means not A is nothing but complementation. And what about this relative complementation of different or the difference of two sets? So this is denoted by A minus B. So that is denoted by A minus B. A minus, so this is a relative complementation. So when I write this as A minus B in a particular sequence, so that means what?